Hello everyone, welcome to College Unfiltered. I am your host Abhishek and today's episode is a special one as I had the opportunity to sit with some of the respected faculties of the management department at IIBM. So if you are someone considering an MBA or just curious about life at IIBM, this episode is for you. So let's get started. So ma'am, why to choose MBA from IIBM?
See, IIBM as an institution has a legacy of 50 years. We all know that this is an institution which was first to provide management education in eastern part of the country. So carrying forward that legacy, we still believe that we have to provide something which makes our students outshine in this competitive world. Now you need to understand why MBA. I'm asking from why MBA from IIBM.
Yes ma'am.
MBA is Masters of Business Administration. Now, this program requires an overall development of candidate. So, when we are talking about overall development of candidate, there are a lot of things apart from academic that we need to provide to candidates. It is providing them an atmosphere where they can grow, where they have research and development facilities. At IIBM, we provide students with an environment where they are going for paid internships. Apart from class education that they're getting, they are working off class also, in field. They are getting their internships. At IIBM, we are providing students a platform through our Center for Entrepreneurial Development, an initiative where we are grooming students to have a corporate culture. It is a platform where they are learning at campus how they will be working at corporate culture, and corporate culture is different from this altogether government culture.
Yes.
You need to have professionalism, you need to value time, you need to value deadlines, you need to work under pressure. So all these things students are learning and they are getting paid for it. Apart from that, we have a huge alumni base. We have people working with Yes Bank. Our past students were working with Yes Bank, Bata, BIA. We have huge internship collaborations with Britannia. We have with Bata. We have with Morris. Our students have done internship with Ujjivan. So our placement records is also very good. We have an aggressive training and placement committee which is working efficiently to provide students with best industrial opportunities, be it part of internship or through jobs. We are providing an atmosphere where students are getting a holistic development. How? We are giving them industrial visits. They are getting campus placements. We are calling off for pool campus. We have collaboration with for job learning skills. So all these platforms students are getting under one roof. Yes, we have a small campus, but that campus is big enough to aspire students to grow and think beyond their limitations of sitting in Bihar. From this campus, they can grow wherever they want to go. So that's why, from my perspective, MBA from IIBM is a good choice.
How this MBA program is different from other traditional courses?
See, we need to understand our economy is the fifth largest growing economy in the world. And these traditional courses, basically, students pursuing the traditional courses are aiming for government jobs. You need to understand all the countries in the world whom we call as developed countries. These countries are private countries. Their privatization, industrialization has boomed. The economy is a developed economy because private sectors is playing a prominent role in that economy.
Yes ma'am.
So how MBA is different and why vocational courses are different from MBA. Vocational courses will basically take you to corporate level. And if you want to grow, you want to contribute heavily to your economy, so then courses like MBA, MCA, all these vocational courses are most welcome, because there you are learning the corporate basics. You are going to join some big companies. Definitely everyone starts from the basics because you have to follow the hierarchy. So
Yes.
the moment you are joining any organization at the front level and you are moving on the hierarchy to the top level, you are learning the corporate culture. So vocational courses will take you, it's a risk factor. You are going to prepare for competitive exams. We all know there are a handful of government jobs. Government has its own limitations.
Yes,
If government
ma'am.
did not understand this limitation, it won't have promoted vocational courses across India. So these vocational courses are basically job related courses. So students from Bihar need to understand that there's a saturation point to government jobs, but there is an entire ocean of corporate jobs if they want to explore. And if they are doing MBA, they can start up their own businesses. Government has Startup India initiatives. You learn the basics, you work in the corporates, and then you start your own venture. So somewhere you are contributing to Indian economy, you are providing employment, you are making a better country, and you're contributing to global economy as a whole.
Sir, what is the eligibility criteria for the students to apply in this course?
मेरे यहाँ MBA में एडमिशन लेने के लिए कोई भी ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। उसमें हम लोग कैट मैट जैट का स्कोर भी हम लोग देखते हैं और वी आर कंडक्टिंग पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, देन आफ्टर सिलेक्शन इज डन। मेरा MBA कोर्स जो है वो फोकस करता है प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग, इंडस्ट्री एक्सपोजर एंड स्किल डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर। MBA हमारा 2 साल का है जो कि 4 सेमेस्टर में डिवाइड है।
So ma'am, what are the specializations we offer at IIBM for the course MBA?
So our MBA course is affiliated from Aryabhat Knowledge University. So as per their syllabus, we have 3 specializations: finance, human resource and marketing.
So ma'am, is there any scholarship or financial option available for the students?
Yes, we have Bihar Student Credit Card Scheme for the students who are joining us for MBA program. We also have Uttam Study and Earn scheme for students, in which they get rupees 5,000 as scholarship. Students whose attendance is above 90%, they get rupees 3,500 as scholarship per semester, and students having attendance of 80% and above get rupees 2,500 as scholarship per semester. Students who have given exams like CAT, MAT or ZAT and their percentile is above 75%, they get scholarship of rupees 5,000, and if they have marks more than 70% in their graduation, they get scholarship of rupees 5,000. And for girl student, there is a scholarship of rupees 3,000 per semester. This is all.
So ma'am, what kind of teaching methods are followed in MBA at IIBM?
Abhishek, actually we use traditional as well as current methods also. Like we use ICT. ट्रेडिशन में होता है कि हम थियोरेटिकल चीज़ें पढ़ाते हैं, बोर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं, बट नाउ ऑल्सो वी यूज़ अ बोर्ड एज वेल एज आपका ICT, जहाँ पे हम PPT प्रेजेंटेशन के थ्रू वी टीच देम, एंड एज वेल एज वी गिव देम केस स्टडीज एंड प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस ऑल्सो, लाइक वी गिव देम ऑन स्पॉट और ऑन द जॉब फील्ड वर्क where they go and experience the new things related to such as marketing or any kind of a related sales or HR. They can go and understand what actually happens in the field. Theory तो आप book पे पढ़ रहे हो, but actual experience they got when they go for the job. So वो चीज़ experience करने के लिए we give them a practical experience. उनको हम certain projects देते हैं, they go and they experience the thing.
सो प्रैक्टिकल नॉलेज तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है, वो ज़रूरी है ही। सो मैम, किस तरीके की प्रैक्टिकल लर्निंग और रियल वर्ल्ड एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ के स्टूडेंट्स को दिया जाएगा?
एक्चुअली वी हैव अ डिफरेंट क्लब्स, ठीक है, तो वी हैव 4 क्लब्स, लाइक वी हैव अ स्पोर्ट्स, we have CSR, we have educational club, and we have a cultural club where the students get experience certain kind of a sports. They can do it, they can go do a certain activities, and that this happens on a rotation basis कि एक ही बच्चों को हम लॉन्ग पीरियड के लिए नहीं रखते हैं, आफ्टर सर्टेन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम वी स्विच टू द स्टूडेंट, ताकि ऑल ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स गेट अ डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस, एंड वी हैव अ इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम इन एवरी सेशन सेमेस्टर दैट दे गो एंड दे डू द ऑन जॉब ट्रेनिंग एक्सपीरियंस, एंड दे हैव द aspect of that we do the different activities also, a part of the club. So like we do the Meet the Leader program where the visitors come and they give the experience to the students.
तो मैम ये सब का जो एंड पार्ट आता है तो उसमें सर्टिफिकेशन मिलता है स्टूडेंट्स को?
हाँ, this they get a certificate. Even we have add-on courses also. A part of theory which is given by the university, we provide them some practical courses, subjects. Even we do a competitive classes also for the students. So these are certain things which give the students exposure and certain benefits that when they go to the job, they will not feel that I don't know anything. I know only theory. So that they have a practical experience also.
कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप हो जाता है तो वहाँ पर तो अलग ही वैल्यू ऐड ऑन हो जाता है उसका।
Right.
So So, sir, what kind of career and placement opportunities are provided by our college?
We at IIBM have a dedicated placement cell wherein we all are working together. So we just do several things. Like हमने क्या किया, हमारे पास जो भी बच्चे हैं तो we just tailored them out, right? क्योंकि आप समझते हैं कि जो बच्चे हैं वो एक स्किल्स के नहीं होते हैं, राइट? कुछ बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा ऑलरेडी स्किल्ड होते हैं, कुछ बच्चों को थोड़ा सा ग्रूम अप ब्रश अप करने की जरूरत होती है, और कुछ बच्चों को बहुत बेसिक से सिखाने की जरूरत होती है।
हाँ.
तो हम लोगों ने सबसे पहले प्लेसमेंट से पहले हम लोगों ने एक क्राइटेरिया बनाया है जिसमें हम लोग बच्चे को अलग अलग क्राइटेरियाज में डिवाइड करते हैं और अकॉर्डिंगली उनकी ट्रेनिंग्स कराई जाती है। वी हैव इन हाउस ट्रेनर्स ऑल्सो, राइट? एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट जब आती है बात प्लेसमेंट्स की, सो एक चीज़ हम लोग कंफर्म करना चाहेंगे, लाइक वी हैव सेवरल कोलैबोरेशंस विद सेवरल इंडस्ट्रीज एंड कंपनीज। तो अगर बात कही जाए यहाँ पे प्लेसमेंट्स की, तो यस वी हैव अ गुड प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड। और अगर देखा जाए तो हमारे पास फाइनेंस सेक्टर्स के बहुत सारी कंपनीज आती हैं, हमारे पास हेल्थ केयर की बहुत सारी कंपनीज आती हैं, हमारे पास मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, FMCG, या फिर आप कोई भी ऐसी सेक्टर की बात करें, ऑटोमोबाइल्स, ठीक है? तो ये सारे सेक्टर्स के लोग हमारे पास विजिट करते हैं। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट we have several collaborations with big giants, like we are just opting the CSR activity of Bajaj SkillServe, as well as the Infosys, as well as we have several Yes Foundations. All these training programs are going on. So हमारा कोशिश यही रहता है कि बच्चे को हम उस लेवल पे लाएं सबसे पहले, और उसके बाद उनके लिए बहुत सारे अलग अलग अपॉर्चुनिटीज को हम लोग लेके हैं। सो अगर और बात की जाए इंटर्नशिप्स की, तो एक हमारे करिकुलम में, चाहे आप MBA की बात कर लो, चाहे आप BBA की बात कर लो, तो एक करिकुलम में ही इंटर्नशिप को भी बहुत अच्छा एक इम्पोर्टेंस दिया गया है। तो हम लोगों ने इंटर्नशिप भी बहुत अच्छी जगहों में बच्चों को प्रोवाइड किया है। हमारे पास सेवरल ऐसी कंपनीज हैं जिसमें बच्चे इंटर्नशिप्स के लिए जा रहे हैं। और बात कही जाए इस साल के कैंपस ड्राइव्स की, चाहे वो इंटर्नशिप की हो, चाहे वो प्लेसमेंट्स की हो, फाइनल प्लेसमेंट्स की हो, तो हमारे पास n नंबर ऑफ कंपनीज हैं। लाइक अगर आप रिसेंटली देखें तो हम लोगों ने अंबुजा न्योटिया का प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव करवाया, ठीक है? उसके अलावा हमने स्मार्ट रिटेल, जो हमारा स्मार्ट बाजार है, रिलायंस रिटेल लिमिटेड, उसका हम लोगों ने ड्राइव कराया। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट हम लोग हमेशा से बहुत सारी अलग अलग कंपनीज का करवाते आ रहे हैं। तो ओवरऑल अगर देखा जाए तो हमारा ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट सेल काफ़ी अच्छा कर रहा है, और हम लोग का मोटिव ही यही रहता है कि हम हर बच्चे को, क्योंकि हमने शुरू में ही ये बात कहा कि हम लोग एक 3 क्राइटेरियाज बना चुके हैं, तो हर बच्चे को हम लोग क्या करें, एक 100% प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस दें। तो यही हमारा बेसिक मोटिव होता है।
सो सर, जैसा कि आपने बच्चों को 3 क्राइटेरिया में बांटा, तो उसमें जो बच्चा कुछ नहीं जान रहा, वो एकदम 0 लेवल पे, तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं?
देखिए, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है आपका अभिषेक। सो अगर इसको हम लोग एलिब्रेट करें तो देखिए, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है जॉब के लिए सबसे पहला कॉन्फिडेंस को बिल्डअप करना। और कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डअप कैसे होगा? जब वो रेगुलर प्रेजेंटेशंस देगा, जब वो रेगुलर ग्रुप डिस्कशंस करेगा, जब वो रेगुलर इंटरव्यू के मॉक्स देगा। तो हमारे पास जो हमारे इन हाउस ट्रेनर्स हैं, या इनफैक्ट जो फैकल्टी मेंबर्स भी जो हैं, हम सभी लोग की टीम जो है वो मिलके बच्चों को क्या करती है, हर समय में GDs की प्रैक्टिस करवाती है। और हमारे जो भी टीचर्स हैं वो हमेशा मॉक के लिए भी जाते हैं, ठीक है? इसके साथ साथ अगर बात कही जाए तो हम लोग इंडस्ट्री विजिट भी देते हैं। ये आप बहुत अच्छे से जानते होंगे कि देखिए, अगर एक बच्चा कोई प्रैक्टिकल चीज़ सीख रहा है, ठीक है, थ्योरी तो उसने पढ़ लिया, लेकिन अगर वो प्रैक्टिकल नहीं सीख रहा है, तो ऑब्वियस सी बात है कि वो आने वाले टाइम में कॉर्पोरेट के लिए तैयार नहीं है। तो हम लोगों की कोशिश यही रहती है कि बच्चा जो यहाँ थ्योरी पढ़े, उसी अलाइनमेंट में या उसी चीज़ों को वो प्रैक्टिकली भी इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट पे जाके या और भी इंटर्नशिप के तरीके से वो सीख ले।
So ma'am, what advice would you give to the students who are considering to join our college for MBA?
Okay. So, first of all, I would like to say that pursuing an MBA is a significant step towards a successful career in business management and entrepreneurship. Any student who are seeking admission in any course, and since we are talking about MBA in this podcast, I would like to say that there are 3 P's that every student should follow: passion, purpose, and perseverance. Passion tells you why, purpose drives you, and finally perseverance leads you to the final career. So those students who are seeking admission at IIBM, I would like to tell them and I would like to give them advice as a faculty that always stay connected with your curriculum, always complete the assignments which are being given by your teachers. We are also conducting the mentor-mentee session at IIBM where we try to give all the advices to the students in order to get the best opportunity that they can in the future. We also give many kind of practical exposures, real life projects, so that they can not only be restricted to the campus environment but they can also have a real feeling as what is happening in the external environment. So as a student, whosoever are coming in at IIBM, stay connected with your teachers, stay connected with the curriculum, stay connected with the assignments, stay connected with the alumni, and then success is no way far.
So, ma'am, what are the benefits of pursuing an MBA from Tier 2 cities like Patna from Bihar?
So, pursuing an MBA program from Tier 2 cities like Patna, especially in our institute IIBM Patna, has several unique advantages. The first one is the cost of education and living is significantly lower, so it benefits the students at affordable price without compromising on quality. The second benefit, we can say, our institute is affiliated with recognized Aryabhatta knowledge universities and approved by AICTE, which helps to student to get a nationally accepted degree.
Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and also comment down your favorite part in the comment section. These are the contact details and social media handles of IIBM. Until next time, stay curious, stay kind.